Welcome back then. The Nifty is not doing much, but the mid-cap index is buzzing around. So let's pull up a couple of winners in the last 1 hour odd. On Mobile should be up for you on the screen. That stock is doing very, very well. And Maxwell Industries as well. That stock went from around 30 rupees all the way to around 65, 70 rupees. And then from there, it corrected. But in today's trading session, that's on Mobile has moved quickly from around the 85, 90 rupee mark all the way to around 135 rupees. Maxwell as well is doing quite well. And various other stocks, likes of Amara Raja as well as Jubilant Foodworks, both those two stocks doing quite well as we speak. But let's get a quick technical check on the markets. We're joined by Sameet Chavan of Angel Broking, who joins this morning. Hi Sameet, thanks so much for joining in. Let's get straight to our first caller. We have Brijesh Sharma, who calls us from New Delhi. He has investments in Axis Bank. Hi Brijesh ji, good morning. How can we help you?
Good morning sir. मैंने 1000 शेयर एक्सिस बैंक के 491.9 ईच पे लिए हैं.
All right.
और ट्रेडिंग का पर्पस था, बट अब शॉर्ट टर्म कन्वर्ट हो गया है. तो क्या करना चाहिए मुझे?
ऑलराइट. और ब्रिजेश जी, आप लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होल्ड कर सकते हैं अभी?
नहीं सर, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए नहीं, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए.
ऑलराइट, तो 3 महीने के लिए
अच्छा चलेगा सर.
ऑलराइट. Sameet, he's bought Axis Bank. I remember Axis Bank was a beautiful stock, in the last 1.5 years approximately. But unfortunately, he seems to have caught, the upper end of that range. He's sitting on a loss of close to around 30,000 rupees. Is there more pain in store, or should he hang in there and hope that he can recover some of his losses?
See Nigel, unfortunately in the recent past the overall private banking space has underperformed. Looking at the Axis Bank higher degree chart structure, it clearly appears that around 445, 450 stock has a very good support. On previous couple of occasions the stock rebounded precisely after testing those levels, so that clearly indicates that 445 is a crucial make or break level for Axis Bank. At this moment he can retain his position by keeping a strict stop loss below 445 on a closing basis. On the side, 482 would be an important resistance level to watch out for. Once this stock surpasses 482 on a sustainable basis, we could see immediate move towards 495, 500. Since he has a shorter term horizon, it's advisable to exit once Axis Bank reaches 495, 500 levels.
Okay, stay invested for now. The immediate level to watch will be 482 on the upside. Our next query comes in on Idea Cellular. Famrendra Upadhyay has called us from New Delhi with his question and idea. Hi, Mr. Upadhyay. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I have bought 500 shares of Idea at the rate of 162.
Okay.
And what should I do now? मतलब अभी निकल जाऊँ या मैं long term के लिए hold कर सकता हूँ Idea?
Okay. Sameet, he's stuck in Idea Cellular. The stock has only lost, what, 20-25% in the last 2 to 3 months. What should he do? Do you believe the stock has bottomed out and therefore Mr. Upadhyay could see, make some money on his buy price of 162?
Prima, it would be very difficult to take a call whether the stock has bottomed out or not, but we can say that around 120, 125 stock has a very strong support zone. It's been rebounding from these important support levels on previous few occasions. Going forward, 148 to 150 would be a major hurdle for the stock. Once it surpasses 150 on a closing basis, we could see resumption of a higher degree uptrend. In that case, yes, it can move back towards a 170, 175 level. As of now, there are no such indication. He'll have to wait for a breakout to happen beyond 150. He can maintain his position since he has a broader term view. He can maintain his position by keeping a strict stop loss below 124 on a closing basis.
All right, Sameet, thanks so much for joining and giving us your take on those stocks. Sameet's disclosures as well flashed for you on the screen. But before you slip into a short break, just pull up a couple of stocks. You pull up Spice Shed.